morning children, welcome to our EVS session. Now we have to go into that worksheet. We have to finish the worksheet of second. First we have to finish the worksheet number 1.4. Our page number is 6. I wrote here my family application book. That is worksheet 1.4, page number 6. The first question is write 4 things which should be do to give our pets happy. Write 4 things which we should do to give our pets a happy life. Yes, the answer is we take them out for walking, we play with them, and we then when they fall sick we should take vet doctor, and we should love them and take care. These are the 4 things the pets are happy life. What is that? We take care them take care them out for walking. We play with them. When we fall sick, we should take care, and we should take care vet doctor, and we should love them and take care. This is the first answer, page number 6. Second one, we should consider our pets as a family members. In what ways can we treat them as a family members? We should consider our pets as family members. In what ways we can treat them as family members? That pets are our family members. We should love our pets like our family members. We give them food, water regularly, and we should take care of them. These are the 2 question answers. And next we have to go to the worksheet second lesson, page number 7, my house. Worksheet number 2.1. In the textbooks you have seen. See this. A place where we live, eat, sleep, that is called home. That is statement is true or false. True means T, false means F. That a place where we live, eat and sleep is called is house. That is true. That people living in different areas live in the same kind of houses. People living in different areas live in the same houses. Is it true? Tell me. Is it true? Yes, it is true. Second one, true. Third one, a house protects us from dust, heat, cold and rain. Yes, a house protects us cold and rain, heat. Then that is 3. 2. True means T. Fourth one, some houses are made with cement, bricks, house stones. Yes, fourth one also true. Fifth one, an apartment is not a pakka house. Is not a pakka house. It is false. It is a pakka house. Yes, yes. Last one, fourth one is false. First one true, second one true, third one true, fourth one true. People where we live and eat and sleep in is called house. People living in different areas live in the same kind of houses. True. A house protects us from dust, heat, cold, rain. Is it true? Fifth, some houses are made with cement, bricks and stones. Yes. An apartment is not a pakka house. It is false. Apartment is a pakka house. Next one, tick the correct answers. A house protects us from wild animals and dangers. What is that? Here, dangers you have to tick. Then, we feel dash inside our house. We feel safe. Then, you have to keep right answer safe. Okay, this is second lesson 1.2. Second lesson 2.1 worksheet we have to complete. Then, we have to go to the 2.2 worksheet. See here, this picture is showing to you. See, color the picture. Roof is red. How red? This is red. Door is blue. Door is blue. Walls is green. These walls are green. Steps are brown. Windows are yellow. 4 windows are there. You have to color the picture. And what are the 2 things show you care for your house. How can you take care of house? Should write. Okay na? And as well as in the course book also you have to draw the picture of your house. You can draw one paper and you can paste here, color it and you can paste the house. Okay na? Next, see it also. Paste the draw pictures of house you like to live in them. Which houses you want to live, that picture you can draw and you can paste here. Okay na? Okay. Okay children, next we have to go to the worksheet number, my house worksheet number 2.2. Here what are the two things you do that show you care of for your house? Yes, we should take care of our house. We keep the windows open and let it fresh air and sunlight. Clear the dustbins daily and clean and mop the house daily and plant slapping near the house. These are that. One more time I am repeating. We keep the windows open, let it in fresh air and sunlight. Second one, clear the dustbins daily. Third one, clean and mop the house daily. Fourth one, plant slapping near the house. Then these ways we can take care of our house. Next, name 4 things that are used to decorate your house. That is, we decorate our house with wall paintings. Second one, photo frame, wall hangings, showpieces, flower vases. We decorate our house with the wall paintings, photo frame, wall hanging and showpieces and flower vases. These are that worksheet number 2.2 up to this one completed. Next we have to go to the page number 10. That name 4 things that you are used to decorate your house. That is the answer is we decorate houses with the wall paintings, photo frame, wall hangings, showpieces and flower vase. Here itself is there one page number 9. Some is there. Now complete this sentence. My dream house is found in Pakka house. First one, Pakka house. Second sentence is it is made up of cement, bricks and concrete. Yes or no? And very good. It is made up of concrete. Next, it is my dream house because it is we have to live okay na? Yes, up to here first 2.2 worksheet complete, page number 8. Now we have to go to the page number 10. Name the 4 things which we have to decorate our house. That is I told on the board. And next with that page number 9 complete the sentences we have to complete it. Now we have to go to the next page. We have to go to the next page. See bit. Page number 11. See bit. That is where we sleep. That is bedroom. First one, bedroom. And second one, where we cook. That is where we watch the TV. That is living room. Third one, kitchen. Fourth one, bathroom. Up to here, page number 11 we have to complete it. This is the answer I gave to here. And the next page, this is the pictures are there. We should write the which places are there. First one where we have to sleep, that is bedroom. Second one where we have to guests. Where we have to that guest invite that is guest room, living room. Third, where we cook the food, that is kitchen. Fourth one, where we take bath, that is bathroom. Up to here, page number 11 we have to complete it. Now next session we have to go to the third lesson, okay na children? But if most of the children not buy the textbooks, you should buy the textbooks as well as soon. Otherwise you can't understand these books, how can you write the exam? Then each textbook contains 2 textbooks. One is the course book, one is the application book. Application book belongs to the question answers, true or false, fill in the blanks. It is there in that application book. Children should buy the textbooks and you should complete the worksheets of application book compulsory. Otherwise you can't understand the lesson.